Hello friends, we can see the new reactions, Knoevengel reactions. In the Knoevengel reactions, we can see how it is happens. Here in the Knoevengel reactions, we can take a molecule of benzyl molecules, malonic acids, in means of base. It is a piperidine. We can use the here. What happens? See here, the benzyl molecule react with the malonic acid in means of base piperidines to form alpha beta unsaturated acid CH double bond CH COOH. This is the alpha position, it is the beta positions, alpha beta unsaturated acid. It is also called as cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acids. This is the simple reactions of the Knoevengel reactions. Simply we can define the Knoevengel reactions. Here, what is Knoevengel reaction? The reaction of active methylene groups with the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones in presence of base to form alpha beta unsaturated acid is called as Knoevengel reactions. These active methylene groups, here active methylene group nothing but this is the CH2 groups. It is called as active methylene groups. This CH2 group attached to the 2 electron withdrawing groups. Here the attached to the 2 electron withdrawing group means the groups NO2 group, CN, COH and COR. These are the some electron withdrawing groups, which is these examples. Here we can define the Knoevengel reactions. In the Knoevengel reactions, we can we have to define it. What is in Knoevengel reactions? What happens? The reaction of active methylene groups. Reaction of active methylene groups. Here we know what is active methylene groups. The methylene group attached to the 2 electron withdrawing groups. That is the electron withdrawing groups are called as active methylene groups. Reaction of the active methylene groups with carbonyl compounds. That is carbonyl compounds of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones in presence of base. Here we can use the base piperidine. We can use the base to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. It is also called as cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acids. Here I am repeating again what is the Knoevengel reactions. Here Knoevengel reaction nothing but the reaction of active methylene groups with the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones in presence of base. That is the piperidines. We can use the different base like ammonia, primary, secondary amines, pyridines as like this to form alpha beta unsaturated acids. It is also called as cinnamic acids. These are simple Knoevengel reactions. We can see the mechanism of the Knoevengel reactions. In the mechanism of Knoevengel reactions, here the step first we are right here the formation of carbanions. Step first is the formation of how the carbon can be formed. Here what is here is the base. It is the piperidine. We can use the base piperidine. Piperidine is the base used plus active methylene groups C H COH. It is the malonic acid. It is called as malonic acid. Name of this compound, malonic acids. Here what happens, this is the base. They can abstract these protons and there is a formation of the carbon can be take place in presence of base. What happens, see here. There is a compound formed nitrogens, hydrogen, again hydrogen. The positive charge come here. This is a base. This base can be protonated. Plus is a formation of carbanions CH minus COOH, COOH. It is a carb anions. It is the carbanions. Means in the Knoevengel reaction, the mechanism, the step first is the formation of the carbon. In this type of such type of the carbon can be formed. Is the step first. In the step second, what happens? See here in the step second, we have right here. The attack of carbon can be take place to form a products. These again benzaldehyde molecules. Benzaldehyde molecules, and at least we know it is a carbon. Here attack of carbon can be take place at these sites. We know attack can take place from negative towards the positive. It is the positive sides, and such type of rearrangement can be take place. What happens here? See, I am write the product of the reactions. CO minus, here hydrogen, CH, COOH, and COH. This is the compounds formed. Again, this compound, again it is reacted with the, see what is this? We know that. What is this? It is the protonated base. It is, we know, protonated base. And how it is formed? We know that it is formed in these reactions. It is formed in the step first, protonated base. This protonated base here, they can transfer this proton. They can transfer this proton towards the oxygen atoms. And here, the lone pair of electrons of the nitrogen atom is regains. And there is a formation of the another compounds. COH, H, C, again H, COOH, COOH. This compound is formed. Here again, this compound again is reacted with the base. This compound again reacted with the base, which removes the water molecules. See here what happens? Like this, the water molecule can be removed, and there is a formation of again these compounds. CH, double bond, C, COOH, COOH. Simple reactions. Again, this compound can be heated, and there is a removal of the CO2 molecules. Again, there is a formation of the final products. CH, double bond CH, again COOH. It is also called as, what is this? It is called as cinnamic acid. It is also called as, here alpha position, it is a beta position. It is also called as alpha beta unsaturated acid. Alpha beta unsaturated acids. It's a simple addition. I am repeat again here. What is the step second? Here the carbon is reacted with the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones. Here is the benzaldehyde molecules. The attack can be take place to form an intermediate first. Is the intermediate first. In this intermediates, the protonated base can transfer its proton to the intermediates, and there is a formation of these compounds. These compounds, in presence of base, removes the water molecules. And there is a formation of this unsaturated diacid. And this unsaturated diacid, it can be heated, strong heated, which removes this CO2 molecules, and there is a formation of the cinnamic acid as a final product.